Damn, it's been a crazy 3 months. Unbelievable, guys. I mean, we had the April doom. Everybody was selling. Everybody was selling. The grannies, your mama, everybody was, right? Tesla fell down, crazy, people selling, right? And then look, we had an all-time high. We got the S&P 500 right now, pushing up. Amazing, right? So companies overall are doing great in the markets. But yeah, in today's video, we're talking about a very special type of stock. This is stock I've been looking into as well, and like steady adding to my portfolio. About 5%, not too much, right? But I do like the upside. I mean, the upside is looking amazing, right? So this company that I'm talking about is called IREN. Now, basically, they are actually a Bitcoin mining company, right? They build and own their own renewable power data centers. But yeah, like, they do Bitcoin mining, they do AI cloud GPU services, and they actually, like the energy that they have, they can actually sell it back to the grid. Amazing, right? Right now, their power capacity is at 660 megawatt. So that's really nice, right? And this company, they actually secured multiple contracts, keeping electricity very, very low relative to the market. So yeah, I mean, with these contracts, they are literally protecting themselves from any spikes in the future, right? They have a locked contract and they're able to get electricity very, very low. But yeah, I mean, this company was in serious hot waters, right? I mean, Jesus Christ. I mean, I don't know if you guys remember that Bitcoin crash in 2022, but this company literally fell 90%. That is crazy, right? I mean, the stock really, really crashed. I mean, investors literally lost confidence in the company. But yeah, I mean, yeah, with their mining profitability, it went down dramatically, right? And like, yeah, investors, they lost confidence. It's like, nah, I'm not relying on this stock. Nah, it's over. It's over for it, right? Because I mean, they literally only put everything into one vertical, right? And that was Bitcoin mining, right? And of course, if you guys seen it, the Bitcoin actually fell, and yeah, this company was it was over, right? But they actually learned from their mistake, right? They realized, you know what, with AI on the rise, we don't have to, let's not focus on just one vertical, right? So they decided, they was like, okay, cool, we have the power, we have these contracts which are very cheap. Let's create a infrastructure where we can sell it back to the grid. We could, if it's more profitable, we could do run AI models, and we could do Bitcoin mining, right? So they can actively shift between all these different verticals if it's profitable, right? So, if AI clients actually pay more per kilowatt than Bitcoin, they pivot to AI hosting. If the grid pays more, sell it back to the grid. If Bitcoin spikes, turn those rigs on, right? So they can actually do this like on demand, which is amazing, right? This is showing that the company is very efficient and making sure that they don't waste energy. But yeah, I mean, this company is not at the mercy of the grid, right? They have the energy at a cheaply cost, right? They can decide they want to sell it back to the grid. They can do whatever they want with the energy, right? Most competitors really cannot do this, right? We have Core Scientific, Riot, and CoreWave. I mean, they don't really fully control the energy, right? So if they don't really control it, of course, it's going to be less margin control, less flexibility, and a higher downtime risk. But yeah, I mean, this company has massive growth ahead, right? They are spending heavily in CapEx, right? And they actually building 2 mega sites right now. We have one in Texas, right? They're actually rolling out. It's going to be able to produce about 15 megawatt of liquid cooled energy. And then we have Sweetwater too, right? This one is going to be a 1.4 gigawatt site for AI and compute. So, I mean, yeah, this company definitely has some projects that they're working on, and they're really trying to just go crazy, right? Because, I mean, of course, this CapEx that they're spending, it's going to increase revenue dramatically. Of course, AI, the demand in AI is insane. So, I mean, yeah, like America right now, they can't even keep up with the demand of AI. Like, we don't have enough energy. We don't. With AMD, NVIDIA, going crazy right now and improving their technology, it's going to be a lot. It's going to be a lot, right? So these data centers are likely to sell out fast, right? It's like owning a beachfront property during a land rush. Like, it's over, right? These companies, they need the capacity. So, this company is actually one of the few companies with power secured and infrastructure under construction. So that's great. But yeah, I mean, how is this company actually performing financially, right? Well, let's take a look at the numbers, right? We have the revenue, at third quarter 2025. Right now, we up $148 million. That is nice, right? I mean, this company is actively increasing their revenue. So that's amazing. I mean, we're looking at a 24% quarter after quarter. That's great. And if you were to look at their net income, I mean, right now we're looking at $24 million as of this recording. So, I mean, yeah, this company is profitable, right? I mean, they do have a nice balance sheet, right? We have the cash on hand. They have about $184 million cash on hand. It did went down dramatically, right? They did had $427 million. So, I mean, what happened here? I mean, where did all that money go, right? So you got, like, the thing about this company is that, they're spending a lot, and I mean a lot of money in capital expenditures. They're going crazy, right? They're not playing around, right? I mean, they see the growth in AI and they're trying to take advantage of it, right? So what am I talking about? So if you guys look right now at the capital expenditures for March 2025, I mean, they literally, look at that. Look at that right there. Like, they spent a lot of money on capital expenditures, right? Insane, So, but yeah, like, even though IREN's cash from operations looks negative right now, that doesn't mean their core business is broken. In fact, their adjusted EBITDA, the cleanest view of operating profitability, is up to $85 million this quarter, with a margin of, let me see, they have about 56% margin. So this is really showing us that the business is running efficiently, right? They're going crazy in the paint, investing hard in growth, and that's totally normal for a company scaling in AI. I would even say that this is probably the most efficient company there is when it comes down to power, right? So yeah, I mean, if you look right now, this company is at $14 right now, right? That's not bad. But yeah, I mean, this is not financial advice, of course. This is just entertainment. But this is a company that, you may want to take a look into. I mean, I definitely see the upside, right? And America cannot keep up with the demand, the power demand in the future. So this company is going to be, it's going to be booked out. It's no doubt about it. You know what I mean? I mean, they already projected right now to actually get 910 megawatt worth of power, right? That is a lot of power, and they're going to be producing that. Amazing. Yeah, I mean, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Tell me what you guys think in the comment section below. Love to hear it. And yeah, peace out.